Today we're going to be learning about putting things in order from the smallest to the biggest. We are starting out with what color paper? That is yellow. And what shape is it? 2 long sides, 2 short sides makes a rectangle. Lots of pictures that we're going to be working with today. I'm going to take the umbrella pictures and I'm just going to set them over there because we're not going to do anything with them right now. We're going to start with our flower pictures and we're going to add some color to them. Again, this is just like all the books we make. The flower is going to stay the same in every picture. So I'm going to start with the little tiny flower over here and I'm going to color the center of it yellow. It has a little circle right in the middle of the flower. So I'm going to do the same to each picture. Going to be yellow right in the middle. Now I have to decide what color I want my flower to be. I think today my flower is going to be orange. So I'm going to color the petals of the flower orange. Remember, it's going to stay orange in all 4 pictures. And then the stem of my flower and the leaves, of course, are going to be green. Now we're going to move on and use our scissors. I'll remind you, 2 or 3 fingers go in the big hole, your thumb goes in the small hole, and it stays on top. Scissors are pointed away, and we're going to open and close them. We're going to cut this into 4 pictures. So you can see 1 line, 2 line, 3 lines. Let's start over here. Nice and slow, staying on the line. There's 1. 2, 3, and 4. So now we're going to move the yellow paper over here. We're going to be using that. And we have to look at our pictures. I have to find which flower is the smallest flower. So I'm going to compare them. I'm going to look at them and ask myself, which flower is smaller? This one or this one? I think it's this flower smaller. Now I need to look at this picture. Which one is smaller? Yes, this one is. And the last one I need to look at is this one. This one looks bigger to me. So this is definitely the small flower. Remember, we're putting them in order from the smallest to the biggest. And we're going to go to the left side of our paper, the same side that we would read a book from or write our name from, the left side. And I'm going to put that small flower right there. Now I have to go back to my pictures and I have to look at them again and compare them. Which one is the smallest one now? Is this one the smallest? Let's see. Oh, it's smaller than this one. So this is smaller. What about these 2? Is it still the smallest one? I think this one is smaller. So I'm going to put it down. I'm going to put glue on the back. I don't want to put glue all over the yellow paper because it'll get way too sticky. I'm going to take 2 fingers and I'm going to put it right there just to make sure I don't get my pictures too close together. So I have to leave a little gap. Okay. Now, so that one is the smallest, a little bit bigger. Now I have to see which one out of these 2 is smaller. Yep, it's this one. Going to add glue to the back. I'm going to take my 2 fingers and measure because I don't want them too close together. You can probably do 3 of your fingers. And the very last one is the biggest flower. Measure it out again and put the biggest flower last. I think our flowers are in order. We're gonna turn the yellow paper over to the back side and set it right there. We're gonna do the same thing with our umbrella pictures. We are going to color them, then cut them out, and then put them in order on the yellow paper. My umbrella is going to be red. You can color your umbrella any color. Just make sure it stays the same in all of the pictures. I'm gonna add one more thing to my umbrella. I'm gonna take black. I'm gonna make little black dots on my umbrella. Kind of makes it look like a ladybug. How many dots did I put on this umbrella? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Better make sure I put 5 on each umbrella. To make really little dots here. 5 dots on each. I'm gonna pick my scissors up, 2 or 3 fingers into the big hole. My thumb goes in the little hole, stays on top. Scissors are pointed away. Here we go, nice and slow, staying on the line. I'm gonna have 4 pictures after I have finished my cutting again. Okay, I have to find the smallest umbrella. It's not that one. Not that one. Which one is the smallest? I think this one. Put glue on the outside edges. Go over here to the left side of my paper and glue the umbrella. Let's look again. Which one is smallest? It's not that one. This one. Three fingers and add another picture of my umbrella. Which one is the smallest? This one right here. Three fingers. And the last one should be the biggest umbrella. There we go. Our umbrellas are now in order from the smallest to the biggest.